Fireball's new all-in-one compound is truly a breakthrough in paint surface restoration.
It's engineered for professionals and trusted by enthusiasts, and it streamlines the entire paint correction process. Whether you're dealing with light swirls, deeper scratches, or oxidation, this single-step solution restores clarity, depth, and a brilliant finish. Whether you're in a professional shop or detailing at home, this compound delivers unmatched results with minimal effort.
Let's dive in and show you just how it works.
Before using all-in-one compound, give the vehicle a thorough wash and decontamination. This ensures a clean panel and reduces pad buildup. For best results, use Fireball products to ensure consistency and quality control. Next, inspect each panel and select a pad that aligns with your correction goals. Depending on your pad choice and the condition of the paint, Fireball's all-in-one compound can perform as a heavy cut, a medium polish, or even a finish polish in certain applications. With many other compounds, heavy buildup and dusting are common, but not with Fireball's all-in-one. It's designed to minimize dust and residue, making cleanup fast and frustration-free. Once you're satisfied with your results, simply wipe away any remaining product using a soft Terry Bear towel, creating a smooth, glossy, and swirl-free finish without the mess. Stop wasting time and money juggling 25 different products that barely deliver. Fireball's all-in-one compound gives you one powerful solution to handle the majority of your correction work. Whether it's a spot on the car or a full car, get professional results with minimal effort.